This is Coach. On today's episode, we are on Season 2, Episode 4, on Learn Coding with Achadia. So, on the last episode, we have been learning about the let variable, and on this episode, we will be learning about the let and const variables and about syntax errors. So, let's get started, everyone! Join Texas Coach today. We're going to be creating a variable const. So the const keyword was introduced. The const keyword was also introduced in ES6, just like the let keyword. ES6 is and it is short for the word constant. Like, you know the word constant? If you cut constant in half, then you would have const and constant and ant at the end. Just like with the variable and let, you can store any value in a const variable, just like a variable. So a variable stores things inside of it, and the same thing to a const variable. The way you declare a const variable and assign it to a value, it's almost the same structure as the let and var. Take a look at this following example. Const my name equals Gilberto. So console.log my name, it's going to put in Gilberto. However, a const variable can't be reassigned. That means if you try to if I write const fave food, if I write const fave food equals, we're gonna say ice cream, and if we write console.log fave food, and over here if we write const fave food equals pizza, and if we write console.log fave food, look what's gonna happen. It's gonna put an error because the const keyword means it's constant. See, now we got a type error as it says over here. So, yeah. Constant variables must be assigned a value when declared. If you try to declare a const variable without a value, you're going to get a syntax error. Like if we write const happy, I'm just putting in random words, equals that, then you're going to get a syntax error. See? Oh wait, I forgot. Console.log happy. So nothing happens because you didn't put anything in there. So when you're trying to decide between which keyword to use, let or const, think about if you're going to need to reassign the variable later on. It means think if you're going to need to change the variable later on. If you need to change the variable, then use let. If otherwise, just use const. So here are some of the instructions. We got an excerpt for this one. Create a constant variable named entry. So const entry equals enchiladas. Don't forget the semicolon. Console.log entry. entry equals tacos. See? So they gave us an error because when you're using const variables, you can't change it later on. Let's consider how we can use variables and math operators to calculate new values and assign them to the variable. Let's look at this example. Let w equals 4. W equals w plus 1. So w equals 4. Think as if this w is a 4. So 4 plus 1 is 4. So when you put in w right here, which is this w, it's going to output 5 because 4 plus 1 is 5. Let's consider how we can use variables and math operators to calculate new values and assign them to a variable. Check out the example below. We already checked out that. In the example above, we created the variable w, the number 4 assigned to it. So think of w equals 4. The following line, w equals w plus 1 increases the value of w from 4 to 5. Another way we could have reassigned w after performing some mathematical operators on it is to use built-in mathematical operators. Is to use built-in mathematical assignment operators. We could rewrite the code above to be let w equals 4. W plus equals 1. So still the same thing. Yeah. The second example, we used a plus equals. For the last one, we just used plus with equals, but not connected. So we also have access to other mathematical operators, which is minus equals, times equals, and divided equals, which work in a similar way. So you can see this example, and that example. Okay. So use a plus equal to mathematical assignment operator to increase the value stored and level up by 5. So right here, we're gonna write level up plus equals 5. I think that was it. Yep. So over here, we're gonna write power level minus equals 100. This is easy. Multiply me watch this. So now we have level up plus equals 5. Means level up plus level up equals 5. And then power level minus equals 100 means power level minus 100 equals power level. That's what it means. So pause this video and think. What do you think will happen when I press run when I write both of these? What do you think? Yeah, so pause the video. Yeah, so that's all we have for today. So now we're back. So when I press run with this, look what happens. This is what is going to happen. The increment and decrement operator. Other mathematical assignments operators include the increment operator plus plus and the decrement operator minus minus. Interesting. The increment operator will increase the value by 1. Like let A just be 10. A plus plus. So when I put in A, it won't be 10. It'll be 11 because A plus plus means 1 more than A, which is 11. So output is 11. It means it here. 20 minus 1 is 19. So this is going to be pretty easy. Just like the previous mathematical assignment operators, plus equals, minus equals, divide times equals, and divided equals, the variable's value is updated and assigned as the new value of that variable. Use the increment operator, increase the value of gained dollar. So gained dollar. Oops. Gained dollar plus plus, and then console.log. Then I'm gonna write gain dollar. Oh wait. Oh, I get it. It shouldn't be in it shouldn't be in those colons. Make sure it's not in not the colons in the little lines. So decrease the value of lost dollars. So the dollars I gained was $4. Then the dollars I lost was $50. Okay. Lost dollar. I'm gonna use a minus minus this time. Oh wait, yeah. So lost dollar there. Okay. String constant concatenation with variables. In previous exercises, we assigned strings to variables. Now let's go over how to connect or concatenate strings and variables. The plus operator can be used to combine two string values, even if those values are being stored in variables. Let my pet armadillo. Console.log. I own a pet plus my pet dot. I own a pet armadillo. That's pretty useful now. So that is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.